Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. Okay, let's do some more Halloween pouring. I was trying to relocate a bunch of my canvases this morning and I came across two where the back of one had leaned up against this one, contrary to my advice to everybody, which is to put parchment paper between them so this doesn't happen. And when I pulled them apart, the paint spots from a few places on this one went with the other painting. Rather than try and repair this one, because that's right down to the canvas in these spots, I am just going to say my farewells to it. I really liked how it turned out. But you know, here we have a canvas we can use again. So let's repurpose it for our Halloween pour. This is an 11 by 14. So I need 9.625 using Mixed Media Girls calculations. 9.625 ounces of paint. This is a 10-ounce bowl, so I'm just going to fill it up with paint. We are going to go back to the somewhat traditional Halloween colors. I'm going to use my Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paint. We have black. I have a little bit of orange left, and because I don't have any more after that's gone, I'm going to also use bright red, which is sort of kind of close. And then I have sap green, and I do have a new bottle of it as well. Let's see, we have violet. I'm going to toss in what's left of my metallic white, and I'm also going to use some of what's left of my old gold. So not strictly Halloween, but you know, should be interesting. So we will layer our cup, no particular order, and then I will show you what's going to make this a Halloween pour beyond the colors themselves. So here we go. I'm not going to start with black. Let's start with green. And now the Halloween portion of some of you may have guessed this from the opening sign. Same bat time, same bat channel. For those of you who remember the Batman show from TV, we have a bat skeleton. I was going to prop him up on something, but honestly, the feet hold this end up and the ears hold that end up. So I'm just going to put him on here like this. And we're going to go for full bat coverage. Holy paint pour, Batman. And here we go. A lot of skinny bones in this boy or girl. You can do it. I may miss a spot or two. That was going to be a cool looking bat though. Oops. Let's see, what did I miss? I'm gonna give it a second or two to finish dripping. I don't think there's much left on the bat, honestly. Okay. Now we shall pick him up. A little ear heavy there. And put the bat over there. And no, we don't. That's kind of a cool pattern where the head was right there. A lot of cool patterns. Let's see if we can hang on to anything. I'm notorious for wanting to hang on to things and then whoop, there they go over the corner. Yeah, we'll see. Ha 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 ha. You know what? It's almost bat-like. Kind of butterfly-ish as well. Look at that, there's a lot of paint on there. Let's see if I can get some more off this corner here. Alrighty. Oh, I like it. Look at that, that is so cool. Definitely like this better than what we just poured over. Touch up my corners real quick. And we will go in for a close-up. There we go. All right, let me clean off my hands. We'll go in and check these out close up. Okay, so here we are at the lower left corner. Across the bottom to the lower right corner. Up the right hand side. There's some cool stuff there. Upper right corner. Across the top. Upper left, down the left side. I love all of this. Very cool. To the lower left again. And then here we have our butterfly bat in the middle. I'm not crazy about this black thing, but it's okay. I mean, it is Halloween after all. And there's the full painting. Now let's take a look at our bat. Okay, here's the bat. This is his left wing. From our perspective, the right wing. And there's his little body. And his right wing on our left. To put this out in my garden with the hand. And if you don't know what that's a reference to, I will link to that video below. The hand from the painter's grave. There you go. That was a fun pour. Stay safe, everyone. I'll see you in the next video.